Have you ever wondered what happens when a sea turtle dies in the ocean? It's not just a lifeless shell that drifts away. Something extraordinary happens. Tiny creatures called crabs come out of hiding. These crabs are fascinating residents of the North Atlantic Ocean. Known for their incredibly small size, they only grow to about 0.4 inches long. Because they are so tiny, they can't swim for long. They can only manage about 45 minutes at 82 degrees Fahrenheit before they drown. So, to survive, these crabs have found a clever solution. They hitch rides on anything that floats, including timbers, ship hulls, plastic debris, and even sea turtles. When alive, sea turtles offer a perfect mobile home for crabs. The crabs nestle into the small space between the turtle's tail and shell, finding both protection and a steady ride through the ocean. This relationship might seem odd at first, crabs living under a turtle's tail, but it's actually a brilliant example of nature's ingenuity. Scientists initially thought these crabs fed on turtle feces, but they've discovered something more interesting. These tiny crabs play a cleaning role, helping to keep the turtles free from parasites and algae. This mutual arrangement benefits both creatures, showing how interconnected life in the ocean can be. But the story of commensalism doesn't stop with turtles and crabs. There are many other fascinating examples in nature. For instance, consider the pearlfish and sea cucumbers. Pearlfish live inside the anuses of sea cucumbers, entering through the anus to find a safe haven. These fish have evolved to tolerate the toxins produced by sea cucumbers, often living in groups within a single host. Similarly, oxpeckers and giraffes share a unique bond. These birds feed on parasites living on giraffes, finding food while giving the giraffes relief from bothersome pests. Up to 7 oxpeckers can live in the armpits of one giraffe, benefiting from the giraffe's warmth and safety without causing harm. Tuateras in New Zealand have a unique relationship with fairy prions. These reptiles use the birds' burrows to stay warm at night, helping them maintain their body temperature and gain a head start in their daily activities. By sharing these burrows, tuateras can forage for food more effectively and thrive in their environment. These examples highlight the incredible ways in which animals interact and depend on each other, often in surprising and intricate ways. Commensalism, where one species benefits without harming the other, is a remarkable aspect of nature that shows the delicate balance of ecosystems and the creativity of life in finding ways to survive and thrive together. Butterflies and moths have a rather unusual way of obtaining sodium, a vital nutrient. Flowers don't provide sodium, so these insects must seek alternative sources. Some species turn to turtle or crocodile tears, which contain the necessary mineral. Butterflies, for instance, find turtles or crocodiles in a torpid state, usually at night, and drink their tears. They show us that survival often depends on cooperation and coexistence. As we learn more about these unique interactions, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the natural world. Every tiny creature and every small action plays a role in maintaining this balance. By understanding these relationships, we can better appreciate the interconnectedness of life and the importance of protecting these delicate ecosystems. So next time you think of a sea turtle or a tiny crab, remember the fascinating, hidden world of commensalism and the incredible ways in which life finds a way to thrive together.